Well, hey everyone, it is Andrew Bro. I'm back with another tutorial. This time I'm actually showing you a project that I made for my office, actually for my desk, and thought, hey, this is actually kind of cool, and some of you might actually be interested in creating one for yourself. So I'm not going to go over how I designed every single element on this because I've already gone over that in other tutorials, like the really big how to create a calendar planner tutorial in Microsoft Publisher, which I will put a link to in the description. So if you want to find out how I made every single one of these tables and put in all of the text boxes, and how I got rounded corners on these boxes and changed the color so that it matches our university colors and all that kind of stuff, you're going to learn all of that inside of that larger tutorial. So in this video, I'm specifically just kind of showing you what I did to set this thing up and create it, and yeah, I think it's going to be really functional. So I started out with just doing a 2018 year at a glance, what you're seeing here in front of you, with each one of the months, and just so I have something to glance at for the year. And then I sent this, I printed it out on cardstock, sent it through a laminator so that over here in the current projects and notes area, I can use a dry erase marker on those and wipe it off each week, or each, however long it takes for me to complete these projects and what notes and stuff I take on them. The notes area I might erase every single day or every couple of days while I'm working on the project, these projects up here. But yeah, I just threw some elements here on the page. I got our university, our official logo and stuff up at the top. This is our IT mission statement. I do work in IT at Evangel University, so that's what that there is all about. And then, of course, if I can get this to actually zoom in, there we go. I just dropped in each one of the months, made sure all the dates were lined up exactly where they needed to go and stuff like that. So let me show you how I got them all in there and the spacing correct. So this is what the actual working file looks like. And you'll see I've got some guides and stuff here in place. So what I did is I've got 2 inches for each one of these columns where the months landed, and I have a 1/4 inch of white space in between each one of the months. So that was a little bit tricky to figure out because there is an extra 1/4 inch over here on the end. So I couldn't just put 2, 4, 6, 8. You couldn't put guides there. Everything would be bumped up against each other. So every time you added in 2 inches, you had to go another 1/4 inch on the other side of it. So as you'll see here at the top, I actually had to start at 2 1/4, and then the next guide had to go at 2 1/2, which means this guide had to be in at 4 1/2, and then 4 3/4. Does that make sense? And then since that was at 4 3/4, we had to start at 6 3/4, go to 7, and then 9, and then 9 1/4. And since I had all this white space over here, I thought, man, what am I going to put over there? I'd really like something that I can scribble some notes on and put in whatever projects I'm working on, and you could put whatever you wanted up there. And then just this big notes area where I could write in with a dry erase marker. Well, as I was doing that, the thought occurred to me that this space down here looked prime for a 1-month view. So lo and behold, what did I do? Yeah, I copied the project, and then I went ahead and created another view, and this one is actually going to be printed on just 28-pound, and these are 11 by 17, so you'll notice they are 11 by 17. So these are nice, really big. I mean, they'll cover your desktop. So if you're like a messy desktop kind of person and you have stuff all over your desk, this calendar probably will not work for you. However, if you like to keep a clean space in front of you, a calendar like this will work really, really well. And I actually love this now that I've gone through and I've created all of the months and put a larger calendar. I've actually got room to write in little notes here on the days, and I'm not going to laminate these because these I actually want to be able to have just one sheet on my desktop each month, and be able to fill everything in as I go along, and then I can take and, I can either fold it in half and file it, or just toss it at the end of the month if I'm done with it. But if I wanted to be able to look back a year from now and be like, hey, what was January like? I can come back in here and see what some of the notes and stuff were that I left on that month. So anyways, guys, just wanted to share that with you real quick. Let me know down in the comments, what would you do to change this up and make it yours, to make it maybe more functional for what you do? Because I mean, I came at this from a mail and print center kind of perspective, and like what I would do from day to day. But how would you use it in your daily life? Hey, if you love this video, please do me a huge favor and smash that like button, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And if you know someone who you think would enjoy this tutorial, please share it with them. That'd be great. Until next time, guys, take care. Bye-bye.